15 August speech. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. India gained freedom from British rule in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi led the freedom movement. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister. The Indian flag has three colors: saffron, white and green. We celebrate freedom and unity on this day. Independence Day is a national holiday. People hoist the flag and sing patriotic songs. Schools organize culture events and easy competitions. The President addresses the nation on this day. We remember the sacrifice of freedom fighter. India became a sovereign nation on 15 August 1947. Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent movement inspired the nation. India's independence is a result of collective efforts. We must work towards a better future. Let's strive for peace and prosperity. Independence Day is a reminder of our responsibilities. We must protect our freedom and sovereignty. India's progress is a result of hard work and determination. We must learn from our past and move forward. Independence Day is a celebration of our heritage. India's youth is its future. We must empower and educate them. Independence Day is a call for action. Let's work together for a better India. Freedom is a precious gift. We must value and respect it. Independence Day is a day of pride and joy. We celebrate our nation's sovereignty. India is a land of diversity and unity. We must promote harmony and brotherhood. Independence Day is a reminder of our duties. We must contribute to nation building. India's growth is a result of collective efforts. We must strive for excellence and progress. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. We must protect our rights and liberties. India's future is in our hands. Let's work together for a brighter future. We must learn from our history. India's independence is a result of sacrifice. We must honor our freedom fighters. Independence Day is a celebration of our nationhood. We must promote national interjection. India's strength lies in its unity. We must work towards a united India. We must work towards a united India. Independence Day is a reminder of our goals. Let's strive for a better tomorrow.